I am going to be explaining some new packages, some new data plans, and why IMdata is the best API aggregator in Nigeria. So, a couple of weeks back, we introduced IMdata as one of the most reliable API aggregator in Nigeria. So, we on this video, I just want to briefly show you some of the new packages, especially on Glow and that of MTN. So I'm going to just walk you through. And also, most of you that are asking how will you locate prices of as an API users. Okay, so I'm going to be covering that in this training. So what you have to do is just sign up on IMdata. It's very simple. It's very free to sign up. So you just click on register and then put all your details, and once you have an account you can easily log in. So I'm going to just log in and continue this training. So once you log in, you will be sent to your own admin backend. Okay, your merchant account, which of course this your merchant account will give you clarities on how to get started with IMdata. So make sure you use the link in the show notes video to sign up. Now, for the benefit of people that are asking of how to go about the API integration. So once you are here on IMdata, you quickly click on this section which you see API. Okay, so you see these sections. Let me just I'm going to be using annotations so that just to give you clarities on how to navigate it. So if you click on this API, you'll be taken to the API system where you can see every integration system, how to get, as in how to integrate everything, as how to do it, like checking or balance data airtime. You can actually do every integration by studying the integration documentation. You can see it right away here. So this is for people that just want to do integration and you don't know how to get started. This is it. Okay, so but that's not what we are here. What we are here specifically is that we want to actually understand the prices on IMdata and why is it the cheapest API for airtime data and even cable subscription. So if you come here, you see that this account is actually a subscriber account. So for you to understand how the best price on IMdata, you understand the agent tiers. Okay, so what is agent tiers? We talk about the packages that is on the system. So you can either be a subscriber or you can become an agent or you can be a vendor. So if you click on a vendor here, agent here, it will take you this place where you can actually click on agent. You can pay 30,000 naira. Okay, you can pay 300,000. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, that is 300,000 to be an agent, or you can pay almost 500k to be a vendor. Now you can always reach out to our admin for vendor if you're an API user. But what you should understand is that even if you're a subscriber and you really want to do integration, the subscriber plan price is very affordable. Let me show you. So let me assume you logged into IMdata. The first thing you should go to check the prices is to click on this more. Did you see more here? Click on this more. It will take you to the more section. On this more section, just click on under order. You see it here. Click on pricing. So once you click on this pricing, it will give you every data prices for each network. That's why I say that you don't even need to upgrade to agent or a vendor, but the only thing you need to do is to request for API key from any of our support contact lines, so which I'm going to show you right away. So you can see the subscriber is getting MTN for 460 naira. So except those of you that are going for a vendor package, you can pay the amount, which is 500k, to get this. This is actually a cost price. That's the cost price of the commodity. So that is why the price seems to be very high to upgrade to a vendor. So you can also go for agent, which is 300k at the moment. So going further, you can see every other package is very affordable. So you can start with subscriber level and then build your traffic. Then based on this, I'm also going to show you some of the plans we have on ground. As regard to what I said, we have Glow. Okay, if you go here, you see, if you go down a bit, you see Glow packages. So we have Glow SME, which is added of recent. You can see it now, and they are very cheap. You can see it very cheap. And I want to get started with IMdata. Is one of the most reliable VTU system for API automation. It is not an end customer website, but even if you want to use it as an end customer, no problem. It is specifically for API users, people that owns a VTU website and you want to connect to a reliable API that can dispense data automatically without no failure, then IMdata is for you. So you can also see Glow Gifting. All these are new plans that is added of recent. Okay, these are all new plans. Even SME, MTN SME, you can see all the plans that are added of recent. These are all added plans. So for those of you that want to do integration and you really want to now get started, once you sign up, use the link in the show notes. Once you go to imdata.com.ng, you sign up, then you can contact support. Okay, how do you contact support for API key? You simply click on more. Do you see more? Click on more. Once you click on more, it takes you to these sections. On this place, you just have to click on contact. Cool. So can you see contact here? You just have to click on this contact. So once you click on this, so this is the contact phone number. You can also reach out on this phone number. You can see it right away here. Just reach out to this number and then request for API key that you're a developer. Okay, you can WhatsApp this line because you cannot call this line, but you can always WhatsApp this line. Okay, so the API key will be issued to you, and once it issued to you, you can do integration. Of course, I've showed you how to locate the API in terms of like your developer. You can actually show this to your developer by just telling the person to click on API, and then the person will now take to the place where to read about the documentation and get started. And to fund your wallet is very simple. All you have to do is to click on funding. Okay, so once you click on funding, you'll be able to be taken to a place where you have to pay money to fund your wallet. And one thing about IMdata is this: even if you are funding your wallet, it is zero funding a kind of charge. So IMdata does not charge you for funding of your account, and that is a good win-win situation for you as a developer. Even as a normal user, it can be a reseller watching this training. You can go try IMdata because this is actually an aggregator. It's not any customer V2 website. It is a V2 website for those people that has a high volume of transaction, and we are also a top partner to a V2 telecom outlet. There you can use IMdata for your complete product automation, and then get started with IMdata today. Use the link or go to imdata.com.ng.